Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. We're going to do things a little bit different. We're going to use the wide angle on the iPhone today because I have a pretty large package that's going to fill out most of it if I left it on the regular optical. So as you can see here, finally picked up a new Xbox Series X. Really curious to see what the unboxing of these things are like. So I did have a regular Xbox, but it broke. I think the main issue was that when I turned it off, it would never actually turn off. It would just go into sleep mode. And then over time, it would just end up breaking. Basically, I came home from Texas and my friends wanted to play Xbox. I tried to turn it on. I did everything. I unplugged from the power cord. I unplugged from the outlet in hopes to do like a hard reset or something, and nothing happened. That was back in December, and I picked this up last week, beginning of April. So it took a bit of time. I basically put on a notification through like Target, Walmart, and Amazon, and I actually ended up picking this up from Best Buy. So thankful that I was able to get one, and let's get into the unboxing. All right, so after you take the slip off, this is what it looks like, and I cut off all the little glued tabbed pieces. Oh wow, this is big. Okay, so up here feels like power cables and stuff, and opening it up, yep, you can see in there power cables and stuff. That's irrelevant. And then in here, these foam bricks are going to probably the Xbox itself. So these two pieces out, and then here's the Xbox. All right, there's the Xbox. Ooh, that felt good. And this is wrapped in like a really nice styrofoam, I don't know, plastic type deal. Little piece of tape right here. Gonna peel it right off. And here is the Xbox in the flesh. This might be the bottom, actually. Yeah, that was the bottom. So here you can see this is the top. There's a giant fan in there. I don't know if you can tell. And then the inside has that signature green Xbox shade. Here's the main button that looks like where you can enter the disc. And then if you can see, it says hello from Seattle on the right side here. Let me turn up the brightness and maybe. So if you can see, or I can try this. Yep, see right there on your right hand side, it says hello from Seattle. And then the Xbox, here's the back end of it. Storage expansion, definitely gonna need it. This does come with a terabyte of storage, and I have another one from my old Xbox because that one was only like 500 gigs or whatever. And then on this side, you can see here's the little nubs to put it down flat like this. Okay, and now on to what's in this box. Here we have a cable, HDMI cable. This one looks like it goes to the power cord or the power unit. There is a controller in here, and it seems like that's it. Huh. Maybe there's no power brick, or it's all in here. Anyways, that looks like it. That's the unboxing so far. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys like to see next. Stay safe.